everyone. Today I'm going to talk about how to apply for a green card after marrying a US citizen. Well, marrying a US citizen doesn't automatically make you a US citizen. It takes process. First, you have to apply for a green card. Your US citizen spouse should petition you, and he should be able to show that he could support you financially. So one of the documents that the immigration would ask during the filing of the green card application is the income tax. It should at least reach the minimum annual income requirements, which is 125% of the federal poverty guidelines, and for the year 2020 it should be 21,550 for most states, but it is higher for Hawaii and Alaska. And just in case that the US citizen's income does not meet the minimum annual income requirements for sponsorship, you could ask a friend, a relative, or anyone that you know who lives in the US to sign the I-864 form, which is Affidavit of Support. And you're also going to be needing his income tax. So the government would like to make sure that the intending immigrant would not be asking financial support from the government. Moreover, the immigration would also require you to submit some documentations to support that the marriage is a bona fide marriage, meaning it is real. So some of the paperwork that you could submit are the house lease, the car lease, mortgages, bank statements, electric bills, utility bills, telephone bills, whatever bills you have, and just make sure that both of your names are on it. So if you have also like kids together, you can submit the birth certificate of the child. You may also submit some of your pictures together or with relatives and friends. And if you could find someone to provide a letter of relationship to prove that they have direct knowledge that your relationship or marriage is real and authentic, and an explanation on how they know about it. The form that you're going to need for this is Form I-130, which is Petition for Alien Relative. The filing fee for this is $535. I would also suggest that you file I-485, which is Application for Adjustment of Status. Its filing fee is $1,140 plus $85 for biometric application. The form that you're going to need for Affidavit of Support would be Form I-864, and there's no fees associated with it. You may also want to submit G1145, e-notification of application acceptance, which means that once they receive your application, you'll get notified by the immigration. USCIS will mail you a receipt notice I-797C within 10 days after they receive your application. You may submit your application forms online or by mail. You may pay with a credit card or with a check. If you intend to submit your application form by mail and pay with a credit card, you will need to submit a form which is G1450 for credit card authorization. And if you're paying with a check, they accept money orders, bank drafts, cashier's checks, personal checks, certified checks that are drawn on U.S. financial institutions and payable in U.S. funds, meaning the bank should be here in the U.S. uscis.gov provided an example on how to write a check. Let me show you. If your check returned due to insufficient funds, they will try it one more time. If it comes back again as an unpayable the second time, they will have to reject the filing. Try to fill out the application forms completely. If there is something that is not applicable to you, put not applicable or N/A. Get a copy of the checklist from their website uscis.gov and make sure that you submit all the necessary requirements together with the filled out forms and filing fees to avoid delays in processing your application. Just a disclaimer, I am not a lawyer. I made this video just to help some people out there who cannot afford an expensive lawyer to file for a green card, or even for those people who are looking to hire a lawyer but didn't know what to expect. I might have missed something, but you can always check the immigration website, which is uscis.gov. And if you have any questions or if I missed something, please comment down below. I hope this video will help you, and if it did, please let me know. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, like the video, and subscribe to the channel. See you again next time.